Let me introduce myself. My name is Shravan Reddy Kedika. Today I will present my research about a novel approach to improve the security of telemedicine devices by using fuzzy biometric crypto algorithm. This is my outline. One is introduction, second reason for research, third is literature review, and the next one is methodology and conclusion. The first one is introduction. Rapid development of advanced wireless sensor and Internet of Things has created various benefits in our life. IoT applications and technologies make the physical devices, vehicles, home appliances, and other items embedded with electronic software, sensors, connectivity, which enables these objects to connect and exchange data via network. It can make our life more comfortable and more convenient since application of uh, advances of wireless sensor and IoT technologies allow the user to do many things through their smartphones by a single click. Next is body area network. Body area network are one of prominent technology that support the real-time monitoring the daily lives and medical situations of patients. Band that provides body health monitoring consists of several biometric sensors placed in the human body to detect and measure the physiological parameters of the user, such as the electrocardiogram signals, the blood pressure and glucose, the body temperature, and the heart rate. The communication signals between the biometric sensors use a personal server that has a purpose to transfer information to access points of the network and then transfer the data to the medical servers via network. Reason for research. The one of the biggest challenges of the telemedicine technology is the security and privacy issues. When there are two devices interact each other over the wireless link, band achieve them to ensure there will be no breach of user privacy or any modification of actual data occur. The patient physiological vital signs are very sensitive, especially if a patient is suffering from an embarrassing disease such as patient could suffer a humiliation at least or even psychological upset if his or her disease information were inadvertently communicated. Also, in some instance, disease information could result to a person losing their job. Sometimes the information may make it impossible for the patient to get insurance protection. So, this patient sensitive information needs to be protected. Literature review. In literature review, various research papers has reviewed. Before starting to propose a method in order to improve the security of band system, we first need to know about the major security and privacy requirements to the band system. The first is the data confidentiality. Patient sensitive information needs to be confidential. The next one is data integrity. Patient's sensitive information shouldn't be altered and changed. The next one is data freshness. There should be a clear organizing a old data and a fresh data. The next one is data authentication. Bank should verify the authentication in efficient manner. In the in, in the research, I have used uh, two algorithms, fuzzy commitment and fuzzy vault schemes. Two schemes I have used it. Uh, Generally, the main difference between those techniques is on the encryption and decryption process of the secret information. The biometric data in the fuzzy wall scheme are represented using point set secured by hiding them with chalk points, while the biometric data in the fuzzy commitment scheme are represented into divided segments and each segment is secured separately. In the fuzzy commitment scheme, the error correcting codes process is necessary to correct the error bytes between two generated binary sequences. But in the fuzzy wall scheme, this process not always be needed because the error may not happen in the wireless channel submission or in the polynomial reconstruction process. Methodology. In the methodology, I have clearly explained how the hybrid system is implemented. The here the feature extraction that I use in my proposed method depends on the type of biometric data. For the fingerprint data recognition process, we use a combination of miniature descriptors that consist of the ridge frequency and the ridge orientation information around the miniation point. In the vault construction using a fuzzy commitment approach. For this iris images data recognition process, we focus on applying iris data to a fuzzy vault scheme utilizing an iris features extraction algorithm based on independent component analysis. Because its method is suitable for extracting multiple and local iris feature vectors from iris data. For obtaining ECG measurements, ECG improved dual student IJS, which utilizes ECG signals for generating cryptographic key, is implemented to the fuzzy wall scheme. The next is a conclusion. Our proposed method trying to hybrid the two different schemes that have the practical applicability due to the trade-off between recognition and security performance. In our proposed hybrid biometric crypto system, helper data extraction has two main steps that are fuzzy vault encoding and fuzzy vault encoding and the secure ordinate value. The first step consists of securing the location and direction using the fuzzy vault framework. In the second step, the ordinate value of the vault are secured using the feature extraction of each biometric signal to the fuzzy commitment approach. Uh, the, the other thing is the security and privacy of medical data are critical issue in the development of health monitoring and telemedicine. In this paper, we have shown a new method which provides a better identification and higher security using a hybrid multi-biometric crypto system. The proposed technique is based on the fuzzy commitment and fuzzy vault models combined with the biometric data from the fingerprint data iris images and ECG signals. Hybrid multi-biometric crypto system improves the communication capabilities and it can conserve the memory and battery lifetime. Each biometric data has their own feature extraction. In our proposed method, the miniature based matching algorithm has been used to recognize the fingerprint patterns. So, this is about my presentation about my research. Thank you.